So former Reggae Boys coach Winfred Schaefer, remember him? Well, Schaefer was in one of the local papers recently referring to a certain clown on TV in Jamaica. But you may have said to Schaefer right now, I am a clown on TV, but you are a clown in real life. Anyway, Schaefer had a problem with some of us at the time calling for more local players in the Reggae Boy squad instead of begging some not so good Englishmen to come and play for Jamaica. So him call me clown. That aside, Schaefer is now making a case for his long-time assistant Miguel Coley to become the Reggae Boys senior coach. But Coach Schaefer, me not think Coley ready for that job as yet. He was a schoolboy coach in Jamaica. He has been an assistant coach in Iran and the United Arab Emirates, which are not by any means big football countries. What Coley needs to do is to come back to Jamaica or go elsewhere and coach some senior football and show that he can coach high-pressure, big-man football and then apply for the job. And by the way, Coach Schaefer, as far as the national senior team is concerned right now, there is no vacancy. Yes, because Dapper Whitmore's doing quite a fine job. So there is no vacancy. So again, Coach Schaefer, the comedian, is having the last laugh. No vacancies.